Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. I hope you guys move forward in everything that you do. Diving right into a market update here, taking a look here at CoinMarketCap and diving into the entire market as we rebound slightly. Let's dive in. So Bitcoin now at $60,783.35. Ethereum rebounding a little bit up to 2,600, and we're seeing that across the market. It's a slight rebound, but nothing extreme as we make our way down towards the top 50 of all the altcoins. Not a significant rebound overall, but a rebound I would say with Bitcoin and Ethereum slightly. Okay, so let's dive in to see what's going on, and let's dive into our first article here. Elon Musk to add XRP to X payments after SEC's partial defeat to Ripple. Okay, let's dive in here. Huge news for Ripple. A lot of like I said, a lot of people are sleeping on Ripple. I think this is huge news, and I think it just goes to show you that XRP is going to win. So here, integrate XRP to X payments. Reacting to attorney Rispoli's recommended that Musk integrates XRP into the network on his X account. According to him, this way, attorney Rispoli believes the American entrepreneur can legally say F you to the SEC. Nonetheless, he advised Musk to seek the opinion of Alan Mays, ex-in-house litigation leader, regarding this move. Interestingly, an attorney speculated that Mays would likely support integrating XRP to X payments at this time. No plans to officially support crypto on X payments, but you guys remember that X did get licenses across the United States to payments licenses to transact. So that's definitely in the works. It has been in the works. So Musk has been pushing to transform X, formerly known as Twitter, into an app equipped with relevant services. So part of this vision includes allowing users to manage their finances via dedicated payment platform named X Payments. So Musk take over as X owner. We can see here that there is a ton of momentum there, because as we see here, like I just said, securing money transmitter license across 30 states in the United States, they've already been making those moves. So X Payments is expected to debut this year, initially supporting only fiat currencies. However, given American businessman enthusiasm for top assets like Doge and Bitcoin, it's only a matter of time, they're saying, that crypto comes into the mix there. So nonetheless, there is no official confirmation or timeline regarding this move, but it's speculation, and it's high probability that this is going to happen. So taking a look here, Ripple CEO highlights significance of SEC's decision. So meanwhile, the recently issued final judgment in the SEC Ripple case has been a major topic of discussion with broader crypto community experts. So top crypto stakeholders have weighed in on the debate, highlighting how the verdict could impact the industry. So according to Ripple CEO, the final verdict marks the end of the SEC's headwinds against the XRP community. We did talk about how they just got hit with a $125 million bill that the judge ordered to pay. But that can be disputed and appealed and all that. So like I said, Ripple has been the front runner for crypto. They've been the main ones fighting against SEC, while everyone has just paid the fine and told them get away. XRP and the Ripple community has been the front runner when it comes to battling the SEC. And like I said, it's actually been a shame, because the United States has an opportunity to get ahead and be ahead and stay ahead in the financial markets. And it's just a shame that the SEC is pretty much being a hindrance to that, especially and then with that hindrance, we're approving Bitcoin ETFs. Ethereum ETFs are getting approved, right? So it's just kind of back and forth right at this time. So next article, here's what's happening in crypto today. We can see here dark skipping method can steal Bitcoin hardware key wallets. Security researchers have discovered a troubling new method that hackers can use to extract private keys from Bitcoin hardware wallet, even with only signed 2 transactions, what they named dark skippy. The vulnerability potentially affects all hardware models, though it can only work if the attacker tricks the victim into downloading their malicious firmware. You guys know, be careful. like this. Everyone thinks they're good. Everyone, people that are, having their wallets on their phone and not having their wallet somewhere put away, somewhere that's not even in their house. Like, have it somewhere that you don't access all the time. There's really no need if you're holding your coins long term, right? So just be careful, because that does happen. We have Frank Templeton launched tokenized money fund. We see that here. Franklin on-chain U.S. government money fund on the Arbitrum Layer 2 network. So launched in 2021 and is accessible through Franklin Templeton's Benji investment platform. So really some cool news here. We even have this news, which is amazing, that's saying the U.S. to establish Bitcoin tax-free zone for digital economy growth. Big. So here, a new proposal is underway in the United States, which aims to establish the country as a global leader in the digital economy through creation of a Bitcoin tax-free economic zone. So the initiative, spearheaded by the newly formed USA BTC Policy Group, advocates for the tax-free DES, where Bitcoin can be traded, accumulated without capital gains, but with a tax on redemption. Big. So according to the USBTC, the initiative could secure the U.S.'s financial future by fostering a resilient and innovative economic environment, leveraging the potential of Bitcoin while maintaining the central role of the dollar. Now, this is the momentum that, at least over there in the U.S., they need that, right? They need that. They need that momentum instead of fighting the technology, instead of fighting the advancement of crypto. This will allow them to take advantage of both sides, because it's about taxes, right? It's about being able to control. It's about being able to get their cut, right? But here would be something that would be at least a step in the right direction. Huge. So the USBTC proposal argues that an outright government purchase of Bitcoin would be both unfeasible and politically untenable. Therefore, it advocates for the creation of a DES where Bitcoin transactions can be carried out tax-free while incorporating a tax redemption process to ensure revenue generation, right? So ensure that they can get their cut on the tax side. So a step in the right direction. We'll see how this irons out, especially with this new USA BTC policy group, and we'll see what irons out. I think it starts with the SEC, though. Like, if we would have had clarity with the SEC, instead of them labeling everything as security, right? This new technology, labeling it a security, I don't think that we would be so far behind in the United States when it comes to digital assets, when it comes to cryptocurrency, when it comes to really adoption in the United States. So definitely something we will pay attention to. We take a look at crypto bubbles. Like I said, a lot of pullbacks for the day. For the week, we're still down because there was a massive pullback. But for the day so far, everything is green. So definitely, it was definitely good to look at these markets on those red days when there's blood on the streets, guys. Like, when that drop happened, that was amazing opportunity. Like we talk about all the time, change your mindset. Buy when there's blood on the streets here. So we see this pullback. We see the weekly candle here actually is green right now, with that wick down to that level of support at 51,184. But definitely something to pay attention to as we continue to make new highs and continue to head in the right direction long term with crypto, guys. So if everyone understands that, like, this red candle, and we can actually not, if you go into daily, there's multiple red candles. So like, you had all week, okay? You had 1, 2, 3, 4, you had 4 or 5 days to really accumulate right after we broke this level here. And on the weekly candle, it's showing you had almost all week. You had most of the week last week to accumulate and capitalize on that pullback. Okay, so is there going to be even another pullback? Potentially. But there's 2 levels that will mark up over the next coming days, so you guys can see what we're looking at, because I just think that you have this year to accumulate, and as soon as the bull run really starts, it's going to be game over. Okay, I don't think the bull market's over. Yes, we made a new high, but the market conditions have changed, and sky's the limit, guys. So definitely wanted to highlight that, guys. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.